Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new and awesome Andobil 60 inches phone tripod stand with Bluetooth remote. It is a universal selfie stick tripod. It's portable, it's for cell phones, it's for DSLR cams too, and of course it is possible to dock with an adapter GoPro on it. It's for with that in that Andobil 60 inches tripod included is a cell phone holder. This is awesome for I think all kind of smartphones out there. For example, iPhone 12 Pro Max, the maximum version of it, XS, X8, and Android phones, Samsung Galaxy, blah blah blah. And it's heavy duty. It is really awesome. The maximum height is 130 centimeters. The material is really awesome. It's so stable, it's so durable. It's a selfie stick tripod combination. The Andobil Professional 60 inches tripod for iPhone, for example, with powerful adjustability, designing in a detachable structure, which can be converted into a handheld selfie stick just in seconds. Perfect for selfies, group photos, adventure travel, vlogging, YouTube videos, because I'm going to use it for YouTube videos, for podcast, Facebook Live, FaceTime, Instagram, live streaming, online meetings, and watching videos too. Sturdy and lightweight. This phone tripod stand is built in aviation aluminium alloy materials combined with sturdy non-skid rubber feet, and universally suitable for desktop and ground, and offers great safety and reliability for our devices. The tripod for phones measures at just 16.8 inches in length when folded. It's making it most convenient to carry around. And we have a wireless remote shutter. The iPhone tripod or smartphone tripod with remote allows us to take photos or videos easily from a distance up to 30 feet. Record beautiful moments without distance limitations, compatible with the most Apple or Android smartphones. And we will need no app download necessary, because we can use the wireless remote shutter or the remote by using our standard Bluetooth connection. We have to pair them, job's done. It's really easy. We have so much wide compatibility with that tripod. It's compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max, 11 Pro Max, XR, Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, Note S, Edge, Google Pixel, Samsung devices with universal 1/4 inch screw. It also fits for digital cameras, DSLR, SLR, action cams, GoPro, webcam, and camcorders because of the 1/4 inch screw. This is the standard measurement to dock some camera materials on an appliance like this. We will get a tripod selfie stick, one universal phone holder connection, one universal 1/4 inch screw mount, one Bluetooth remote shutter, and of course the remote will come with 2 coin batteries. That's awesome. It's really awesome and reliably. 33 feet. These are 10-meter freehand photography because of the Bluetooth remote shutter. It's really easy. Then we have a detachable selfie stick tripod. It's so easy and awesome. We can make overhead, vertical, horizontal videos or photos, 360 degrees to 270 to 70 rotations, all around the capture beauty everywhere in all kind of angles. Minimum of 17 inches. Then the standard weight is 21.5 inches and the maximum is 55 inches. We can extend it up to 55 inches, 5 sections, highly adjustable. Wow, for selfies, for travel, for living broadcasts, for group photos as well. You can make everything. Versatile selfie tripod with in tripod mode if you like, 360 rotation, Bluetooth remote, wide compatibility. It's a 2-in-1, easily switch the mode we want for tripod stand mode or selfie stick mode too. Everything is possible. We can have an extendable phone mount. This extendable phone mount comes or extends from 2.3 inches to 3.6 inches, suited for the most cell phones out there, and prevents our phone from falling or shaking while in use. And we have a 360 degrees tripod head nut equipped with a 360 degrees tripod head, which easily to adjust the phone position to vertical or landscape mode and easily get good photos and videos. We can make an overhead shot and vertical shot. Every shot is universal and you can do that. This is easy to use. It's really reliable. It comes with good materials. This is the Andobil 60 inches phone tripod stand with Bluetooth remote. It is a universal selfie stick or a tripod. It is 2-in-1. It's a stand for example, in my case, it's an iPhone 12 Pro, but also you can dock there an iPhone 12 Pro Max. No problem. That's awesome. The brand is Andobil, the material is aluminium, the color is black, the maximum height is 130 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.